Nice fish. Had to get it way in there. Way in there. Oh, no, he came off right there because I was stuck on myself. No, that's unfortunate. You guys get to see the hole he came out of, I guess. Real deep pocket. Relative for the creek, at least. Got an undercut there, undercut there. Oh well, you win some, you lose some, I guess. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm sitting at a plunge pool here on one of my favorite little creeks. Not because it has the biggest fish, not because it has the most fish, but because it has some of the prettiest fish, and the creek is probably one of the prettiest creeks that I know about. So it's just nice to get out here after work and relax and catch a few little brookies for you guys. This is, again, just gonna be a pretty simple video, nothing special to it. So just relax and enjoy me trout fishing this tiny little mountain stream. Came out right as I stepped up. I figured there's probably one in this hole. I mean, look how deep that undercut, both these rocks are undercut. I caught him right on the edge of this. Not the biggest fish on earth, but the colors on these fish are pretty spectacular. So that's what I'm here for. Oh yeah, that's a nice brookie. It's a really nice fish. Oh dude, that's a big freaking trout for this tiny little creek. That's a stud, man. I can't believe that. I didn't expect to catch a fish this size at all. Wow, and the colors on him are unbelievable. All right guys, I want to show this fish off for a second. Because look at the colors on that thing. Is that not just one of the prettiest brook trout you've ever seen? But the other interesting thing about him, if I flip him around here, is look at this gnarly scar on his back. Like, I don't know what happened there, probably a bird of some sort. But this is a little small stream warrior, so I'm gonna get him released happy and healthy, and he'll be able to swim again for another day. Oh my gosh, dude. Got him. Nice fish. Oh yes, dude. That's what I've been looking for. Oh, buddy. The perfect mountain native brookie right here. Alright guys, check out this little fish here. Perfection. Thanks, buddy. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show this off right here real quick. I'm sure a lot of you can tell, but this creek is very tannic. In other words, it's kind of got that reddish hue to it. And a lot of times these streams like this are very acidic because they're running off a high elevation, usually sandstone geology. And the reason these creeks are usually tannic is because they're running through spruce forests or something that's very acidic and like decaying leaves and stuff. But what gives these streams life are little springs like this. So this spring is coming off the side of this hill and coming in, and it doesn't look like much, but I can promise you that once I get above where this spring comes in, my catch rate drops to near zero. I think I've only ever seen one fish above where this spring comes off the side of the hill. So I would assume that this stream is coming out of a bed of limestone somewhere just up the hill here. So that spring's pH kind of neutralizes the main creek here and allows these brook trout to survive. I'm gonna fish a little bit above this, but I just wanted to show that off because it's pretty cool to see. All right, guys, I suspected I didn't catch anything above. Just literally walked into a spider. That's great. I didn't catch anything above that spring that came into the creek there, which is pretty normal. So I'm gonna run out of here real quick and go try a different little spot and see if I can't catch a little bit bigger fish just to end out the video. So yeah, I got a little bit of a walk ahead of me. That's a nice fish, a nicer fish. Come on over here, buddy. Thanks, friend. Wow, and the colors on him are incredible. That's why I came out here. All right, guys. I just want to show off this fish real quick. Chill out, relax, 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 buddy. Look at the colors on him. Chill out. Look at that. Is that not incredible? So I'm gonna go ahead and unhook him and get him released. I don't even like. Yep, big fish. Biggin. Real good one. Right in front of that rock. Come on, dude. Oh, buddy, dude. That's a giganto brookie, baby. I can't believe I caught one this big today, to be honest with you. Wow. That's incredible. I'd have been happy with a fish half this size. Look at that. That's incredible. The spots on him. Woo. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. This video was kind of one of those where it's just like, I just went out and had some fun. I didn't do anything crazy. Man, the bugs are going crazy right now. Surprised I'm not seeing any rises. But anyway, I finally caught a pretty good fish, so I'm gonna call it there and get out of here and go home and eat some dinner. At least that's my plan. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Seriously, if you did, subscribe. It's completely free, so why not? And leave a like and comment why you like the video. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.